You guys are seriously telling me you don't miss any of this?
No.
No.
The forest, the quarry, family video, the hog?
No.
There actually is something that I miss about this place. Miss this. Just us hanging out. I miss you guys. I mean, I really like my new friends. But it's not the same.
I don't think it ever will be.
Okay, Jesus. Killing me, man. Just do something about it.